here to talk to Dogman.
Are all those dogs yours?
Yes, they're my babies.
This is Kiki, 2 years old.
What I was excited about was when I read the script and the little that I knew Luke, but his films, I knew that there wouldn't be anything to the left or to the right. Nothing above it and nothing below it. It was something I hadn't seen in this way, I suppose.
Super big record.
You're in the artistic background?
I'm in the dog business.
I had heard it was going to be a movie about a pack of dogs, but it was so many and so many different character dogs. So my very first impression was like, there's a lot of training to be done and the casting has to be exactly perfect.
Et c'est un plan muet, donc vous pouvez les appeler.
Benji, Benji,
Allez, Lascan.
Benji,
Allez,
Lascan.
At 4, you don't breathe, huh? 3, 4! You don't hurt yourself? No, it's cool. Ouais, super.
Merci Pauline.
By the corner light, I'll always stand and wait for you at night. We will create a world for two. I'll wait for you the whole night through. For you, Lily Marlene. For you, Lily Marlene.
C'est nice, hein?
Je repars à zéro. Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Ni le bien, ni le mal. Tout ça m'est bien égal.
I feel like I'm in Ed Wood.
Rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Car ma vie, car mes joies, aujourd'hui, ça commence avec toi.
Ah, super. Impeccable. Fin de journée. Bravo.